The lending company's been in business since 1995. We've been at this location since 2006. We have about 150 to 55 employees. A few of those are in multiple states. We also have a very small branch in Connecticut. Our loan volume on an average runs about 200 loans a month. And all of our processing, underwriting, funding, closing, and all that is done right here at the corporate office in Phoenix.
When we started looking at different LOS systems, the web-based was the #1 criteria. And then from there, we talked to other companies that use those LOS systems to find out, okay, who else was using LendingQB.
We did not want something where we had to do the program install. We wanted a system that would allow anyone in the office to be able to access it from anywhere. We have a lot of virtual loan officers, and as I said, we have a lot of out-of-state people. So that allows them to access this, whether they're on vacation, whether they need to help a client.
In the 4 years I've been here, we've gone through 2 deployments that were just awful. The support, the help after installation was non-existent. The deployment was probably even more robust, if it can be, than the system itself. And we've been pleasantly surprised since day one.
They listened to the concerns, they listened to the questions, lots of Q&A, and they responded quickly. So I think that motivated our staff to actually accept this change quite well. And we used LendingQB and their instant support, their help desk, their phone numbers, emails, whatever. We use them all the time, and we allowed our staff to do that too. And I think because of that, the system deployed much smoother than we anticipated.
I'd say the biggest advantage of using LendingQB over previous LOS systems is that it is web-based. I mean, it truly is easy to use. 2 weeks, I was completely comfortable with it. I had a routine set up where I could rifle through my work quickly, back and forth through the screens. I knew what was going on. It was very easy to use.
I think the openness to kind of adapt to our vision and what we're looking to do as a specific company, the ability to tell you guys that, and for you to kind of work with us in making those things happen, that's huge.
LendingQB seems to be based mostly on how do we respond, how can we deploy what you need instantly, how can we modify what we do so that it fits your system. Even though when we make changes as a company, LendingQB, it's global because it's web-based, you guys were instantly responsive to pretty much everything we needed to have done. So as a company, the difference was you guys were there and you guys held our hand all the way through the process. You didn't get frustrated with me if we had 15 questions and it was the same question 15 times. And I'm sure there was a lot of times when you hung up the phone, it was like, my gosh, what's Cahalan doing? But you guys were right there.